range for the quarter. Well, the quarter is all like, I mean, what, half over. But what it is showing us for the quarterly pivots is that support's down here near 125 and change, and that would break us down below that 130 level. So rallies up in here. This could be a situation where we could see continued weakness. Watch for rallies up there close to 133. You don't want to see the market get a close above 134.25. So your objective would be down here near 125. I think it's pretty evident that if the market does go down, you think they're watching for these lows to get hit? You think they're looking for, you know, maybe stops underneath these lows in here? Sure they are. So they're going to try to press the market lower. Another thing is we want to see if the market moves lower in the next couple days. You definitely want to watch your on-balance volume, and you want to see the market continue down with a lower move or a lower reading in on-balance volume. So if price goes down, we want to see a move with heavier volume. You want to see that down tick, okay? So keep your eyes peeled for those levels, and I think, you know, if gold's going to move down, bonds are going to go down too, and I think the knob spread shares that with us. All right, so now let's go over to last but not least, and planning and scanning page. Here we go. All right, well, actually, as a disclaimer or disclosure, we're actually in Cisco. Cisco's a long holding of PA stock alerts, and we got to deal with this because we have earnings